Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you that creating a Microsoft Planner is easy and can help you organize tasks and collaborate with team members. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you can simply go to the Microsoft Planner via the Microsoft 365 web and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. See this sign in option here? If you haven't already, just go to the try it free option, wherein all you have to do is just follow the instructions. You can enter your work or school email address, and they will check if you need to create a new account for a planner and the Project Plan 3 trial. Once you have done that, sign in details, complete, and get started, you would be able to access the Microsoft Planner without any problems. Now, on the Planner homepage right here, I want you to click the left side panel of your dashboard. All right, this is gonna be the My Plans or the Planner Hub. Click that, and the first thing that we need to do from here is to create a new plan. All right, now here you see there is an option on the upper right corner where you can see the new plan section. A dialog box will pop up with options to create your plan. You can choose any of the basic and premium templates, from simple plan to project management, software development, business plan, employee onboarding. But if you are curious about all of the templates, just click on this button right here. You can choose from any of the following. Maybe we're going to go for the simple basic plan, which includes lists, board, chart, and schedule views. Let's click that and use the template. You can rename the plan from this way and add to your pen plans if you wanted, and you can add to a group if you wanted as well. All right, just click on create and just wait for it while Microsoft Planner is sorting things for you. And from here, you can create a lot of things. You can go to the board view, the grid view right here. If you want to board, you might want to click this option right here that says schedule, or a grid view right here. Create a new task, add new task right here. And you can sort of kind of put in a label if you want. Add a label right here. All right. And then you have the option at the upper right corner to share this to multiple team members, or if you're working with a client, you might want to send the link. Set the priority to medium, to important or urgent, and basically that's how you create the Microsoft Planner within this account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.